Hello everyone, Christopher again, and welcome to my online challenge again. That will be day from 2 to day 5. I know I'm supposed to create videos every single day, but day 2nd and day 3rd was mainly preparations for all the challenge continued. So when you go back to my previous video, in video 1, I showed you what I will be doing. So in day 2 and day 3 and day 4 and day 5 and all them days, I'll be doing exactly same thing. But from day 2 till day 4, from day 2 till day 5, I've been creating funnels, I've been creating Facebook posts, I've been creating videos as well. So let me quickly show you one of my posts on Facebook. And this is one of my posts created 11 hours ago. And as you can see, it has got 7 likes and 2 comments already. But when we go back in different group, this post has got 176 likes and 66 comments, you see. So there is another post, someone shared my post 10 hours ago. That's from my group, you see. So when you click on this post in here, then we will see how much likes it has got. So you see, I've been trying to do promotions on affiliate marketing. Well, any promotion is affiliate marketing. So I dropped the idea of promoting make money online products because I know this market is oversaturated and it's difficult to promote these products because in every group about affiliate marketing, to be honest, 60% of people that are scammers. They want to scam your money. You can find, of course, you can find good people who are looking for info, but most of these people, they spamming links around, and it's difficult to advertise any products relating to making money online. So let me quickly show you. This is one of my funnels I've created. This is about woodworking plans. So that's one of my funnels. This is main funnel. When someone clicks in it, this pop-up will come up, and in this pop-up, as you can see, it's like a loading bar, one more step, and then they need to put their details in it. When they click download free guide, that will take them to my thank you page, and they will have their plans downloaded. And the thank you page on this funnel, let me quickly see if I can show you. And the thank you page on this funnel is actually selling page. On this thank you page, I'm selling them the main product, and if they don't buy from my thank you page, then I will carry on sending them emails regards this product. So that's my thank you page. It's not difficult to create funnels like that. In my channel there is a video saying how to create them funnels in ClickFunnels, because as you can see, I'm using ClickFunnels. And this is my thank you page. Thanks so much for downloading your free guides. And then, but wait, and this is like what I'm going to offer to them. When they click this button, they will be taken straight away to my offer page. When we do preview on this thank you page, I'll show you how that works. So on my main funnel page, as you could see, they put their details and they will be taken to this page as my thank you page. And in here it says get access to 16,000 plans. When they click play button, that will take them to exactly similar page with same screen on it where they can buy. You see, this is exactly same screen and where they can buy them plans. And that's how it works. So that's what I've been doing recently. like creating funnels and then making some posts. One fan page was related to woodworking plans, and one fan page was related to law of attractions in here. As you can see, this is what I've been doing recently for last couple of days, and I'll be updating you in my next videos. I'll be showing you proof if there was any sales or not, and we'll see how it goes. I don't think there will be sales straight away. I don't think I'll have more email addresses, because these people, they just only, liking your posts and commenting. So okay, so I know I showed you that you should focus on one thing. I just diverted from there. I'm actually focusing on two things, which I'm trying to monetize my resources already created, like Facebook fan page and my funnels. So that's why I'm doing two promotions in one time. But I would advise to focus on one, because as you can see, I'm divided into different directions. One is law of attractions and one is woodworking plans, which might be a little bit confusing, a little bit overwhelming, because you have to create posts in one kind of groups and on the other kind of groups. So you have to have a really loads of time to do it, which I don't have it. So what I'm doing, I'm creating few posts on law of attractions and few posts on woodworking. And as you can see, law of attraction still works. We'll see how it goes, and I'll update you in my next videos. Thanks so much, and see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.